At Climate Plus, our motto is service, advice and repair. We're a fairly young business. Matt and I came together with a goal of creating a service-oriented company.
So far, I think our success has got a lot to do with our customers and the way we engage. We try to make our customer experience the best experience for our customers possible.
For us in the air conditioning and electrical industry, our focus is on trying to be a bit of an innovator via our online presence. So we're very strongly using online reviews, Google SEO, AdWords, and purely online marketing.
I love using ServiceM8. It makes everything simple. From the minute you click on a job, notify the client that you're on the way, it links in with maps on your phone, tells a customer how far away you are, and being able to just invoice a customer at the job has made a world of difference.
By using the online booking tool and managing the availability of the various technicians, we're able to have our technicians focused on a certain area of town on certain days, and that's been really beneficial.
ServiceM8 within the office has been great. We can put a task against another tech and then I get a notification that it's completed.
But we can also manage technician workload as well, and helps us really keep an eye on the guys and make sure that we're looking after them as well as ourselves.
I'd say ServiceM8 has definitely changed the quality of life. I cut my admin time down massively.
From the minute we engaged WorkM8 Consulting, I had the highest level of service at all times. We're met with a free consult that was really well done, really fast, and gave me all the answers that I needed to make me confident that ServiceM8 was the right package for us.
I would say Franco as a person has just been phenomenal for us. Didn't matter what time of the day we were in touch with him. He would hold after hours workshops. Without him, there's no way we would be where we are.
And Franco was able to help us develop and create solutions that were very much outside of the standard scope of ServiceM8. He gave us the ability to really use the software to suit the goals that we were trying to achieve.
And we had nothing but praise for ServiceM8. It's so simple to use. We've got technicians ranging from young to old, and no one's had a problem using it.
I guess one of the things that gives us a lot of confidence with ServiceM8 moving forward and our business is that they seem to be constantly evolving and there's always improvements coming. So we're really confident that as we grow and our business moves forward, that ServiceM8 will follow and support that.
I guess the future for us is to become Canberra's #1 service repair company for air conditioners, hot waters and electrical. We want to be the one call that a customer needs to make.